Welcome to today's episode of Absolute Talks. I'm here with Conrad Rensburg, and today we're going to talk about innovative solutions for the edentulous arch by our friends at Panthera.
Yep, Panthera brought us this solution. It's called the integrated bar. Great solution for a patient who wants fixed function with a removable option.
It's awesome. The things that Panthera can do are absolutely incredible.
This truly is a great solution. It offers us that area between friction fit and clip retention.
Yeah.
And you know, a lot of people have some issues with friction fit type restorations. This solves both of that. It gives the patient a truly functional feel of a fixed hybrid, but the removable option of a denture. So the cleansability is there and the function. So that's a really, truly great solution right down the middle of the road.
Yeah, sounds like a great option.
Now we need about 10 millimeters from the top of the implant to the top of the stack, like we like to call it.
Okay.
Above that, we're probably going to need about 3 or 4 millimeters. So I always say safely 12 to 15 millimeters for one of these restorative options. Is an ideal solution, yeah. So the makeup is right at the bottom. We have a custom abutment. We can break up to 30 degrees to get to perfect draw.
Okay. And above that custom abutment that's been corrected is going to be the retentive abutment. The retentive abutment will actually screw onto the custom angle corrected abutment. There is no screw access hole, which is really, really nice. There's nothing, they can't get debris and food impacted in there, cause a problem later on down the road.
And you don't have to plug any access holes up with composite.
No, it's very
it just
nice.
falls out later.
Yep.
Now after the abutment goes on, we have our retentive caps with our nylon riders.
Oh.
Then we slide the frame over, we lute those caps into the frame, effectively verifying the impression intraorally.
Very nice.
Then we'll place some teeth on a wax, tooth try-in, try a final try-in, and then deliver the final. Now if we look at our custom abutment, we can correct, like we said, up to 30 degrees. What's great about this custom abutment, it contains the screw access hole and the screw. And your retentive abutment goes over, covering up all those screw access areas.
Now the retentive abutment is available in 2 different heights. If you had a case where you need a little bit more flexibility and space is a little bit less than ideal, you can use the shorter abutment for that patient.
What's nice about having the longer and the shorter is we're always going to try to optimize the size of the abutment to give us more stability in the final prosthetic solution. The caps have nylon riders, soft, extra soft, and strong. Depending on your patient, you can change those out. They don't really wear out because all the abutments are parallel. And that really gives us a good long-term solution.
Because there's no positioning jig when you receive the abutments back, each abutment is numbered and marked with a dot to show you the order and the placement of the abutment.
After you've got your custom abutments in place, or your correction abutments I should say, you simply screw your retentive abutments over. Panthera offers a special screwdriver. Like we said, there's no screw access, which makes it very hygienic.
The no screw access is actually a really nice feature.
Exactly. And then you slide your retentive bar over, or your support structure. We lute those components all together in the mouth, effectively verifying the model intraorally. Send that back to Absolute. We'll put some teeth on it, do a wax tooth try-in, and then we process to final.
That's great.
A truly innovative solution from Panthera. The integrated bar offers us that middle-of-the-road option between friction fit and clip retention. And I do believe there's a huge market and need for something like this.
Yeah, it's another great offering from the team at Panthera. What more can you expect?
Yep. We'd love to talk to you more about this. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you for joining us on this episode of Absolute Talks. Welcome to today's episode of Absolute Talks. What are you doing?
Making myself look younger by taking the wrinkles out with creative lighting.
It's not working.
Oh, okay.